Hello and welcome to another episode of Rempah Ratu's Kitchen, where I share with you my spicy fried dried anchovies recipe. Enjoy this with a plate of white rice and my multi-purpose dal curry. Now let's check out the ingredients. 60 grams of dried anchovies, washed and dried. We'll start by pounding 2 red bird's eye chilies and 1 green bird's eye chili in a mortar and pestle together with 4 cloves of garlic. Here we have the pounded ingredients. Next ingredient is a small potato weighing 80 grams. What we want is slice this potato and fry it. We will first cut the potato into fingers and then slice it. Next is 1 medium onion sliced. That's done. Let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan that is on medium heat. Then add the potato slices and fry them until they are done. The potatoes will take about 2.5 minutes to get done. Remove the potatoes from the hot oil when they are done. You can then set them aside until later. You next fry the pounded ingredients until they turn fragrant. The flame is still at medium. Stir constantly to prevent them from getting scorched. When the pounded ingredients turn fragrant, you add the dried anchovies. These anchovies are a very thirsty ingredient. They just soak up oil, so make a well to pour more oil in. 2 more tablespoons of oil should do the job nicely. Now turn the flame down to a low medium and fry the anchovies together with the other ingredients until the anchovies are done. This should take about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, increase the flame to medium, add the sliced onions and fry them together with the rest of the ingredients. The onions will be ready after 1.5 minutes. I didn't add any salt earlier because the dried anchovies are inherently salty. So check for salt now and add if needed. If all is good, you add the fried potatoes and stir everything together. Then turn off the stove. When the dish has cooled down a little, add the juice of 1 calamansi and stir everything together once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.